Hey, Pokey fam, we're at it again. Pull it for something good, bank or bust. Trying to get some little one magic today because my luck has just been awful. So she's gonna do the pull in today. One at a time. Don't forget Pokemon 30th celebration on Friday. I think the live stream starts at 6 o'clock in the morning for Pacific time frames. So make sure you're logged in early for that one. And hopefully they do some kind of drop on the Pokemon Center. All right, we got our first reverse holo. Come on, just grab it. There you go. Second reverse holo, something? Hey, there we go. We got a hit. The little one magic works again. Y'all keep pulling.
Like and subscribe.